Yo, what's going on? It's Damien here, back at another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to just literally import all your tax info from Uber and Lyft. So here, give me one sec, sorry. I'm going to go ahead and delete this real quick. Sorry, just one moment. Okay, now it's fresh and new. Okay, so literally all you have to do is go into self-employment income and expenses. So click review, and then you click add line of work, and then you just click Uber. You can just type in Uber, or you can type in Lyft, and then it will automatically says, "Hey, is it ride sharing or driving?" So I said yes, it's definitely ride sharing. You have to click that because this is where the fun happens. So for me, it was like a side job. I mean, yeah, it was a business. It wasn't really my main source of income, but yeah. Does your rideshare driving work have an official name? Just say no, because it's Uber. Just don't. Yeah, just click no, and then click continue. And then, yeah, I mean, that was the address that I used when I was working there. So I'm gonna click yes, continue. And then, so I started doing Uber back in 2018. So I'm gonna click, I didn't start or stop drive, or start, I didn't start or stop rideshare driving in 2024. So then, but if you guys started like maybe like in February or March of 2024, then you just click I started. Then you just have to click, you know, the specific day that you started. So all you gotta do is click continue there. And then with Uber and Lyft, you don't pay any W-2 employees. Like literally, that's always gonna, that most likely is gonna be no. Like I didn't, like you work for yourself. Like you know, like you, it's your own car, so you work for yourself. Then you click continue, and then did you make these payments? Pay the contractor 600 more to work for me? No, I did it all by myself. So you just click no, and then click no. Well, you technically do have an EIN number, but I'll just click no because there's a way. Look here, I'm going to show you. So just click no, and none of these apply. I didn't actively participate in operations. Just click none of these apply. These are just less common situations. But if they do fall into yours, then click yes. But for me, it's just it's going to be none of these apply. And then I'm gonna click looks good. Skip. There we go. So this is where it's gonna literally what companies did you ride share driving in 2024. I'm gonna click Uber, and then you can also choose to do a Lyft as well. But yeah, just click Uber, and you click continue, and then see this is how it says let's save time by importing your tax info. So it'll import all your information. So I said okay, sounds good, and then you get my forms, and then I'm gonna put in my information. So I'm gonna stop recording for a second. Okay, so I signed in. It says success. We got your information from Uber. So I click continue. And I mean, I guess you guys are pocket watching me now, but like, yeah, that's pretty much how I made from Uber. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much how to do it. And then, do you have more self-employment? So if you did Lyft or stuff, you can click yes, and then, or you could have like clicked Uber and Lyft before you import. But like, I mean, you guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna click continue this portion. Uh, Click continue again because all your information's right here now. You know, and then you guys can also double check. I'm gonna post my tax info right here, and it'll literally just show you. Like obviously, it's gonna import it, so it's gonna be accurate. But if you guys want to double check, you can. You know, you don't want to make Uncle Sam mad. Um, But yeah, that's literally how I do my taxes. It's really simple and easy. And then, so like right now, I technically owe $1,604, but don't worry, guys. Like literally, you gotta put in your expenses. So skip, get started. So the biggest expense, I would say for me, it'll be vehicle. Okay, because you have to put in the mileage for your car. So for vehicle, select vehicle, and the thing is with the importing, it already imported like the mileage that you use online. So did you rent a vehicle? So I'm gonna select no, but like for you guys, if you did, just like yes. Did you buy supplies? So yes, I did buy a few supplies. Did you purchase internet cellular service for your business? So obviously you're gonna say yes for that because you're also gonna put that in as well. So keep going. And then for vehicle, so go here. Uh, I guess I'll put in my vehicle for you guys to know. So it's a Ford Fusion. It's an auto under 6,000 pounds. When did you start using it? I started using that bad boy 07 10 25. No, 2018. That's when I first started Uber. So yeah. And then yes, I own the vehicle. And then if you guys lease a vehicle, you select that. So whichever one that applies to you, click continue. And yes, it was available for personal usage. And then if you guys had another vehicle, you also have to put that as well. So did you have another vehicle available for personal use? If you guys just had one vehicle, you just like click no. If you guys had a second vehicle, just like yes. And then you just click continue. And then yes, I tracked my work miles for this vehicle because thankfully Uber does it. And then so this is for Uber. So like literally Uber says 15024. You'll put 15024. Please enter because it's going to ask enter the miles you drove just for your Uber driving work in 2024, and that's going to be it right there because literally TurboTax makes it easier for us because they already imported it. And then the total miles driven, including work and your personal or commuting miles. So for me, I would say 20,000, including like this. So I probably like an extra 5,000. So yeah, for 2024, then you just click continue. And then where four or more vehicles also used for this. So usually I don't know anybody who uses four vehicles for Uber, so just click no. If you guys say yes, just click yes. Click continue, and then just take the standard deduction. Well, for me, I'll take the standard deduction. If you guys actually kept your receipts and stuff, maybe like from gas, or no, not from gas. Well, yeah, gas, oil changes and stuff like that. I mean, you guys can do that. It's up to you. But I usually just take the standard deduction. And then watch how this 1,604 is going to go down. See, now I get $298. So yes, I'll take the standard deduction. Cause yeah, so like with that, thanks to the what's it called? Sorry, the online mileage. Basically the mileage rate is like 70. I think it's like 0.67. For yeah, 0.67. If I'm doing the math right. I think it was like 15,024 for the whole year of my work miles, and then times that by 0.67. So yeah, basically 10,066 subtracted. So yeah, that's basically the deduction for that. And then if you guys have any parking fees for work, maybe if you parked your car somewhere at like an apartment complex and for some reason they gave you like a ticket or something, toll fees for work. I wouldn't put toll fees. Well, for me, because like we already get reimbursed for the tolls, but it's up to y'all. As I said, I'm not a tax expert for this. And then property taxes, including in your car registration fees. I I don't know much about that. Total interest on your car. So like if you had car payments on your car, I own my car. So if you had car payments, basically the total interest. So you'll just put that. So say for instance you worked Uber all year, from January to December, and you made payments on your car, like if you have like a loan or whatever. Take that total interest. I count every month and count the interest and total it, and then you're gonna put that here. So say for instance it was like 500, right? Put that in there, and then all you gotta do is click continue, and then watch it'll go down a little bit. Or no, it'll go up since the it's a federal refund. And then just click continue. Um, if you guys had another vehicle, you will just click yes. If not, just click no. So no. And that's pretty much it. And then for communication, so this is where your cell phone, so like cell phone service. If you had a so obviously for me, I have cell phone service. And then like for Uber, it was kind of like a part-time job. Um, so you don't have to. So what I do, that way, just in case you don't get audited or whatever, don't like let's say I have Verizon, right? I pay about $100 for my solar for my cell phone service. And then I've worked for Uber all year, so I don't take. I'm not gonna take. I'm not gonna put the total amount of 1,200. Since I only because I also use that cell phone for personal use as well, so I'll probably take out maybe like $40 out of it. So 40 times 12. Let's do the calculation. 40 times 12. I'll just put 480. 480 for that. Done. So yeah, that's literally how I do it. Yeah, just that way, just in case, because I don't want to get audited, and then like also like cause the thing like you didn't use that cell phone mainly for Uber, you use it for your personal usage as well. So that's how I do it. And then also, if you guys have car insurance as well, I know this shows business insurance. Like with Uber, you also have business insurance. Also, deduct your car insurance as well. That's also another way that you can deduct. And then supplies. I did buy a car charger or the phone mount, so I'll just put car charger. I paid about like $20 for it, so I'll just put in 10 because I've obviously used it for personal use as well. And then phone mounts, I think I paid like 15, so I'll just put 7 bucks for that. And yeah, so that's pretty much how you do your taxes for Uber. It's really simple, as I said, easy peasy. As I said, I'm not a tax expert, so just like if you want to just watch this video and just kind of understand how to do it, this is how people do it, and try to like especially with the expenses. This is like the main portion because like I don't know if you saw before, I literally had to owe 1,000. I think it was like 1,002 something, but since I did my expenses, I literally got that deducted. So now I'm getting like a federal refund of 400. So this is really like very important to do, especially like when you're doing your taxes. So yeah, um, hopefully you guys liked this video. As I said, I'm not a tax expert. I'm just giving you guys some knowledge on how to do your do your taxes, and then how to like do your expenses. That way you don't really have to pay a CPA. I mean, if you feel comfortable doing it yourself. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys didn't, it's cool. I mean, I'm here all day. So yeah, peace.